we are here at your house. It's an amazing place.
Thank you.
And first thing that I noticed when I walked in was that board over there.
Yeah.
What is it and what does it mean to you?
Yeah, so that board I created when I was 22. This one on the bottom. And at that stage, I was training with an NBL 1 team. I wanted to play on an NBL 1 team. I had a few injuries within that segment of my life. So Ja Morant was an inspiration for dunking again. I actually started, and shout out to Archie Padley, he was getting me dunking again by 23 because I had a bunch of injuries, so that was good. And it felt great to dunk. I'll probably give Albin a video of me dunking so we can add that in. Good for the clips. But I had a lot of fiscal goals as well. You know, I wanted to have a certain amount of money in crypto. I just got hacked about a year and a half prior for a lot of the money that I'd saved up. It was only like 10 grand at the time, but that was most of the money I had. Hacked in an NFT project. And then I was trying to, just change my reality. I was like, I want to live in an apartment like that. I want paintings like that. Now I live in an apartment like that. Now I can afford multiple paintings like that. And these two fashion things up top, that girl and this thing, I'm not going to reveal too much about that, but that's something that will come alive, later in my life, and it will all make sense. But yeah, Kosa was just a baby at that time. We hadn't even done the first episode yet, but we were about to do the first episode. And who would have known that the second episode would get 1 million views? Next minute, Channel 9, Vice Australia, all these other pages are following us. Actors like Cody Ko, Abbott and Preach, dating guys in the US and across the world are reacting to our stuff. So yeah, man, I was really vivid with my detail in the kind of life that I wanted to live with that whiteboard. And then you got the CB logo. I was able to capture that. And that was when the business started to kind of take back off again. And that was 2023 or 2024. After, losing pretty much 95% of my business during COVID, I was like, you know what? Let's get it back going. Once I got the momentum going again, I was like, let me get an emblem of the progress. And I started to use that in my content when I was 23, 24 years old. And now the goal is simple. I got this whiteboard at the moment. I have a lot less whiteboards that I use these days. I'm a lot more clearer with my goals. And it's a very simple goal. What does it cost to not give it your all? That's the question of the year. And then it says, choose daily Dami. And the goal this year is $1 million a month in revenue. That's it. Like, it's very simple. And I understand that for me to hit $1 million a month this year is going to take me being more healthy. It's going to take me getting better sleep. It's going to take me procuring my environment. It's going to take me being intentional. It's going to take me being valued more for my ability to think critically instead of just to hustle. It's going to be about me being able to be poised and me being an adult instead of me being just the hustling entrepreneur. Because for so much of my corporate career and for so much of my career in general, it's always been like, Dami's the hustler. Dami's the clutch guy. He's going to get it done. Mr. Fourth Quarter. That was my Slack handle in a corporate job that I had. I'd put myself Mr. Fourth Quarter because it was just in the nick of time. Just like a game winner that I was talking about in the basketball video, and I break history, I was able to do it as well, just in the nick of time, right? So it's less about that identity, and it's evolving into, okay, I'm going to build up other Mr. Fourth Quarters. I need to create other heroes. I need to help them achieve their own financial goals. I need to help them. And if I help enough people get what they want in life, well, $1 million a month, if anything, is actually too small. It's thinking too small. And as Grant Cardone says, you got to always 10x everything. So yeah, it's baby steps, but I'm grateful for the journey. And, I'm halfway through my 20s. So I haven't even learned anything yet. We're just getting started.